Hi children, welcome back to your social science class. In the last class we started block 10 northern plains. Today we are going to discuss the economy of the people living in northern plains. To discuss the economy of the people living in northern plains, we have to discuss a story in your content book. So everybody need to take your textbook. There is one story in your textbook, page number 7. Everybody take page number 7. So let us discuss the story. Life in plains. Singh Sahib lives in a village in Punjab. So the story starts from a person called Singh Sahib. He lives in village Punjab. He is a farmer and grows wheat and pulses. He is a farmer. He is growing wheat and pulses. The village is located between Satluj and Bias rivers. So where is this village is located? Yes, the village is located in between the river Satluj river and Bias river. The soil is very fertile as it gets a lot of water from the rivers. So here we know northern plains are very fertile. We already discussed. The soil here are very fertile because it gets a lot of water from the rivers. Everyone in the village practices agriculture. So most of the people living here are growing crops or they are doing agriculture. People grow rice, sugarcane, maize, cotton and oil seeds. So which are the crops mainly they are growing? Yes, they are growing rice, sugarcane, maize, cotton and oil seeds. Singh Sahib also has buffaloes and cow in his house. So he has buffalo and cow also there in his house. His wife makes curd and ghee from the milk and sells in the neighborhood. His wife makes curd and ghee from the milk and sells it in the neighborhood. So what his wife is doing? Yes, his wife is making curd from the milk and not only curd and ghee from the milk and selling it in the neighborhood. Next we can discuss about the story of Sharmaji, another person, Sharmaji. Sharmaji lives in a village in Uttar Pradesh. He is a farmer and grows wheat. So another, he lives in Uttar Pradesh. Sharmaji lives in a village in Uttar Pradesh. He is a farmer and grows wheat. He also a farmer and he is growing wheat. His village is located in a place where the river Yamuna meets river Ganga. So where his village is located? His village is located in the place where the river Ganga meets river Yamuna meets river Ganga. The soil is very fertile because of the rivers. Here also soil is very fertile because of the rivers. Most of people in Sharmaji's village practice agriculture. So what is the main occupation of the people living in Sharmaji's village? Yes, it is agriculture. They grow rice, sugarcane, maize and vegetables. So they mainly growing the crops like rice, sugarcane, maize and vegetables. The village is very famous for mangoes. This village is very famous for mangoes. Sharmaji also owns cow. Sharmaji also have cows. So we discussed Singh Sahib also have cows and buffaloes we discussed. So it is similar as Sharmaji's also. Sharmaji also have cow. Sharmaji also owns cows. His wife also make milks and curd and ghee from the milk and sell milk and milk product in the neighborhood. So and the wife of Sharmaji also making curd, ghee from the milk and selling milk and milk product to the neighborhood. Next is the story about Chandra. Okay, Chandra lives in a village in Assam. So next we can discuss about the story of Chandra. He lives in a village in Assam. He also a farmer and grows rice. He also a farmer and he is mainly growing rice. His village is in a valley. So where is his village? His village is in a valley. Valley means the downward side of mountains. Okay. It is a plain area with hills on both sides. So valley means we know it is a plain area. Both sides there will be mountains. It is fertile land as river Brahmaputra flows through it. So this also very fertile land. Why? Because the river Brahmaputra flowing through this place. Some people also grow jute here. So another crops grown here are jute. Those who live in upper slopes of hill work in tea plantations. So some of the people, those who are living in the upper slopes of hill, work in tea plantations also. So the people are working in tea plantations also here. Almost every year, the water in the river increases because of heavy rainfall and causes flood. So there is one problem here. Yes, what is the problem? There is sometime every year, almost every year, the water in the river increases. The water in the river increases because of heavy rainfall. So Assam is getting more rainfall. That is why the water level in river increases and it may cause flood. During this time, Chandra has to move to the hills. So in this time what the Chandra is doing? He is moving into hills. Chandra's wife weaves cloth from silk thread. Then what his wife is doing? His wife is a weaver. She is weaving cloth. So she weaves cloth from silk thread. She also helps her husband in the field. So she also helping her husband Chandra in the field. So this is the story. Now what we have to do? Yes, we have to complete some of the questions given in the worksheet. Okay. So everybody take workbook page number 11. Economy of the people. So everybody write the date at first. So first question is fill in the blanks. Singh Sahib who lives in dash. Who lives in Punjab. Singh Sahib lives in Punjab. Works in a dash. Works in a farm or field you can write. Work in a farm. As a dash. Farmer. As a farmer. He grows dash. He grows wheat and pulses. He grows wheat and pulses. Next B. Sharmaji who lives in dash. Sharmaji lives in Uttar Pradesh. Sharmaji lives in Uttar Pradesh. Work in a dash. Work in a farm. As a dash. As a farmer. He grows dash. He grows wheat. Chandra who lives in dash. Chandra lives in Assam. Works in a farm. Works in a farm as a farmer. As a farmer. He grows rice. He grows rice. Okay. So first one finished. Then second question. What do most of the people in the northern plains do to earn a living? Give reason. So we know most of the people are living in northern plains. They are doing crops we studied, isn't it? So what is the main occupation of the people living in northern plains? Farming. So how can we write the answer? Farming is the occupation of the people. Farming, because northern plains are very fertile and suitable for growing crops. Okay. So what do the most of the people in the northern plains do to earn a living? Farming. Why? Because northern plains are very fertile and suitable for growing crops. Third question. How is farming in the mountains different from farming in the plains? People in the mountains grow crops in the hill slopes, isn't it? Hill slopes or valleys. People in the mountains grow crops in the mountain slopes or valleys, but people in the northern plains or people in the plains grow crops in the plain area. Okay, that is the difference. So how can we write the answer? People in the mountain grow crops in the mountain slopes or valleys. People in the plains grow crops in the plain area. That is the difference. Now let us discuss practice question. Practice question number 3. Which are the three northern river plains? Explain. Three northern river plains are Sutlej Basin, Ganga Basin and Brahmaputra Basin, and we have to write a small description about each basin. So first one, it is Sutlej Basin. River Sutlej and its tributary Bias form Sutlej Basin. Second one, Ganga Basin. The river Ganga and its tributaries form Ganga Basin. Then third one, Brahmaputra. The river Brahmaputra and its tributaries form Brahmaputra river basin. Fourth question, what do most people do to earn their living in northern plains? Most of the people in northern plains are farmers, so they grow crops to earn their living. Okay children, this much enough for today's class. Hope you all understood today's class. So we will meet in the next class. Okay, bye.